Okay. Welcome back to the Silver River Chairs channel. We got cut off on that last one. It's all right. These things happen. We're talking about tying off. So when you're done, the weaving's complete, you want to make sure you're securing this last bit. However you make the knot in the middle is fine. I'm going to show you what I do. I think that it's clean and secure at the same time. So you're coming straight across from where you are and grabbing two strands. Two strands is important. One strand is not quite enough to make it structurally secure. You're going under and pulling straight forward away so that this is taut, and then locking it into place. There. Now you're coming back on this side and grabbing the strand that you're using plus one next to it and going under those guys as well. Now that starts to swirl around and lock into place there. Continuing this wrap around, going under and around one more time there. And instead of going under and around in the same direction, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Now this allows me to knot this off, similar to a cleat. And you end up with this very clean figure 8 knot at the end. We can clip that off close. And then we like to put a little bit of glue on all of the knots that are showing, working it into the, into the meat of the knot in order insurance policy, making sure that if anyone messes with them, that it's not going to fall apart and unwind. Alrighty, we'll be back for the very, very end of this one and putting it all back together next time. Thank you.